There is a huge hue and cry about M.F. Hussain leaving Indian citizenship and accepting Qatari citizenship and being threatened by fundamentalists. You know, it's unfortunate to see a man of excellence being so prejudiced and biased and hateful. M.F. Hussain himself admits that whenever he paints someone nude, he is doing it to humiliate that person. He has made in one portrait Mahatma Gandhi, Karl Marx, Albert Einstein and Hitler, and among all the four famous figures, only Hitler he made him nude. And similarly, he has made a portrait of a Muslim ruler and a Hindu priest, Brahmin, and Hindu priest he made him nude, and the Muslim ruler he is all fully clothed. And he portrays India fully clothed and Bharat Mata totally naked. All the Devi Devatas he portrays naked. You know, nudity is not an obscenity in the Indian tradition culture. When you go to the temples, you will see there are many apsaras, siddhas on the outer walls of the temple which are nude. But nobody ever portrayed Sita and Sri Ram nude or Sri Krishna nude in the whole tradition, in the entire history. And that too, portraying Sita nude and putting her on the tail of Hanuman has never done. Can he do the same with the Prophet Muhammad? Let him draw a fully clothed picture of Prophet Muhammad, or draw a nude picture of Fatima and maintain his Qatari citizenship. You know, Hindus are very tolerant. Indians in general are very accommodating. But insult is not to be tolerated. A hatred, venom against a community is not nice for an artist. There is no other country in the world which gives so much freedom as India for expression of artists. You know, you can paint any number of nude pictures, there is no objection, but calling that person as Sita or Rama, or especially the Saraswati and all, would hurt the sentiments of millions of people. And all these other people who advocate, who say, oh, freedom of expression and all, where were they when Salman Rushdie's satanic version were banned? That is also another form of art. When Taslima Nasreen was cornered. India should wake up to this sort of hypocrisy. We cannot have double standards. See with respect everyone and every religion. Nurture harmony in diversity. It is these people who fuel fundamentalism even in communities which are very peaceful and tolerant. Let's be aware of the terrorism of pen. Jai Hind.